Hey y'all, I'm Kinzeyrae. Welcome back to my channel. Y'all, this hair had me feeling myself. Y'all know I've been trying out all different kinds of curly wigs and I'm definitely loving this one. So let's go ahead and get into the details. So the hair that I'm wearing today is from Nadula, and look how cute this packaging is. I'll definitely be using it as like a little travel bag or a makeup bag. And y'all know I love when hair companies load you up with all kinds of gifts. So with the wig, I also received a wig cap, an elastic band, a makeup brush, and a pair of lashes. They also sent over this little tool, but I'm not exactly sure what this is for. And they also sent a dust bag to keep the wig nice and secure. Here's the hair straight out of the packaging. It's a Kinky curly V-part wig in 18 inches and also 150% density. Comes with combs and an elastic band to keep it all secured. I have all of the information for this wig down in my description box, so let's go ahead and put it on. So I already have my hair braided down, and y'all might notice that it's a little bit different this time because I decided to try a side part, which is very different for me because if you guys been watching me for a while, you know I am a middle part girly. So I don't think I've done a side part, especially not a side part U-part wig, in years. This is how the hair looks in its natural state. All I did was wash and condition it and detangle it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cut it just to shape my face. And I am definitely not a professional when it comes to cutting, y'all. I just take my scissors and I just cut pieces that I feel like need to be cut until I get it to the shape that I want it. And somehow it always works out. So I'm taking pieces from around the perimeter of the wig and I'm just clipping that up because when I start to blend my leave out, these are the pieces that I'm going to be using to blend my leave out with. And now for the next couple clips, I'll just be taking different sections of hair. I'm going to spray it down with water, add some moisturizer and some setting foam, and I'm just going to moisturize the hair, and I'm going to use my Denman brush to define the curls. Once I get to my leave out, I just part it, and then I'm going to be blending it with those pieces of hair that I sectioned off. And I'm pretty much going to do the same steps, except for this time after I finish moisturizing my hair and detangling it, I'm going to take my finger and just twist it with the wig hair just to make it all blend in together and just look really natural. So this is how the hair looked after I let it dry for about 20 minutes. You can definitely leave it like this because it is super cute. But I like big hair, so I just took my wide tooth comb and I just kind of played with the hair a little bit and just broke up the curls. And here is the finished look, y'all. I am so in love, and I know I say this all the time, but I definitely think that this might be my favorite wig. The quality of the hair is so nice, and the texture matches my hair literally perfectly. And I'm so happy I decided to try a side part this time because it's definitely given, so I definitely will be doing a side part more often. And again, this wig is from Nadula Hair, and this is their Kinky Curly V-part wig. It's 150% density, and it's in 18 inches. I'll have all of the information down in my description box, so definitely check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.